Welcome to another recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Here's a list of ingredients you will need for today's recipe. These are also listed in the description box below. So let's get started. We'll start by taking our water and we're going to add sugar. Now we're going to add our yeast. We want to mix this in. Make sure everything's dissolved in properly. So give it a good mix. Once it's dissolved, we'll put it to the side and let it rest. We want it to foam up, so that can go to the side. We'll take a big bowl for mixing all of our ingredients in. Go in with our whole wheat flour. Then we'll add in our bread flour. You can replace this with plain flour, but bread flour works best. Then we'll go in with our salt. Give that a little mix. I like using my hands. You can do it with a spoon. Add in garlic powder, black pepper. Give that another mix. We're adding powdered milk in there. You can do the same procedure in a mixer if you have one. Well, I'm doing it by hand. So we're going to make a little indent in the middle and we're going to pour half of our yeast water mixture. Stir that in. We'll add the rest. We'll add in our oil. We'll give that a mix. Make sure everything's combined, and you'll find the mixture's a bit loose. That's perfectly normal. It needs to be slightly loose. We need to knead it for 5 minutes. After that's done, we need to cover it and leave it in the fridge for 2 days. Or if you're in a hurry, you can do it in half a day. So we'll move on to our sauce. Take our oil into a saucepan. Keep our flame on medium-high. Go in with canned tomatoes, which are pureed, so they don't have any bits in them, nice and smooth. Then we'll go in with our tomato paste, which I've mixed with just normal water. Then we'll add in our salt, Italian dried herbs, black pepper, cayenne pepper, sugar. Give that a little mix. That's garlic powder. That goes in. Stir that around. Now we'll add in a cup of water. Mix that in and leave it on simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. You can cover it with a lid if you don't want it to splatter everywhere. And after 15 minutes, it should thicken up. That's the consistency we're looking for, and it's done. So we can put it to the side and move on making our filling. So the topping that I'm making, I'm taking lamb mince, mixed masala, chili flakes, salt, garlic powder. Give that a mix. So with this I'm just forming burger patties and then I'm going to be frying them. You can use any topping that you want. So we'll fry our mince patties that we just made. They go straight in a hot oil. You want a nice brown char on them. So we'll cook the other side, flip it over. As you can see, they're nice and dark, so you want a char on them. Once it's ready, we'll put it to the side, let it rest, and we'll start forming our pizza. So So I've taken our dough and I've split it in half, because the mixture that I originally told you to make for the dough, that's enough for 2 pizzas. And what I've done is I've put coarse cornmeal on our surface. I've flattened it out. You can use a rolling pin if you want. Then it goes in this pizza mesh. If you want a proper Domino's effect, you really want a pizza mesh. You can also do this in a pan. Then we'll ladle our sauce in the middle. Spread that out. You want to leave about an inch all around. And then we'll go in with our toppings. In this case, I've taken onions, and the burger patties that we made, I've just ripped them by hand, and I've put those on top as well. Like I said, you can use any toppings that you want. Customize it the way you like it. And then we'll put some cheddar cheese on there. Lots of it. Want it to be nice and cheesy. Go in with mozzarella on top as well. And then, because this is a cheeseburger pizza, I've done gherkins. That goes in the oven till it's nice and golden. I've cooked mine at 250 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. As you can see, it's nice and golden. It's ready to eat. I've drizzled it with some mustard mayo. And there you have it. If you like our recipes, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.